In this video, you will learn how to use the verb 兼ねる in different ways. The verb 兼ねる when used on its own means for one thing to have more than one function or for one person to have more than one role. Here are some examples. 地下室は拷問部屋も兼ねている。地下室は拷問部屋も兼ねている。The basement also serves as a torture room. おじいちゃんのプレイは攻めと守りを兼ねた攻守だった。おじいちゃんのプレイは攻めと守りを兼ねた攻守だった。Grandpa's play was a fine play combining both offense and defense. この村では村長が祈祷師を兼ねる。この村では村長が祈祷師を兼ねる。In this village, the village head doubles as the shaman. Next, 兼ねる can also be used as an auxiliary verb when combined with other verbs. As an auxiliary verb, 兼ねる can be used in affirmative and negative constructions. First, the massive form of a verb plus 兼ねる means it's difficult to do or one is not at liberty to do. Keep in mind that this construction is quite formal. Let's have a look at some examples. その質問には答えかねます。その質問には答えかねます。I cannot answer that question. In this example, the massive form of 答える to answer 答え is used to convey the idea that this person is not at liberty to answer the question. いかなる事故に対しても責任を負いかねます。いかなる事故に対しても責任を負いかねます。We are not responsible for any accident. The massive form of 負う to bear 負い is used. This is a common legal disclaimer. Second, the massive form of a verb plus 兼ねない means something may happen or someone may do. This construction usually implies a negative event or action. Here are some examples. おばあちゃんは人を殺めかねない。おばあちゃんは人を殺めかねない。Grandma may murder people. In this example, 殺める to hurt or kill is used in its massive form, 殺め. This sentence asserts that grandma is a potential threat to others. Note that this is a negative or harmful action. この隕石は地球に衝突しかねない。この隕石は地球に衝突しかねない。This meteorite could hit the earth. 衝突し is the massive form of 衝突する to collide. Note again that this is a negative or harmful event. This is the end of today's episode. See you in another episode.